my friend! How are you? Are you good? Happy? I am so happy and excited like you, right? I am happy. Now we're going to do some art. You can take some tape, different sizes, small size and big size. And you also will need, beside the tape, some colorful markers, okay? You can get as much as you want. We're going to do something like that. Can you see those circles? Wow! This art is from Kandinsky. He's a Russian painter. Look, it's kind of crazy, right? Very interesting. Wow, good job, Mr. Kandinsky. Look at this one, how it looks like. He likes to make different shapes and it makes so beautiful with the colors, right? We're going to start right now. So first we're going to use this paper and use the big tape. Put the big tape in the middle and make a circle around the tape. The tape helps you to make a very good and perfect circle. And then you can color inside. Wow! You just repeat the circle over and over and over and over. Like the paint that we saw, you can use different colors and make it a little bit bigger. You also can use the small tape to make the small circle. It's funny to color inside, right? Round and round and round and round. I love how this looks like and it's so funny to do. I think Kandinsky will be very proud of my work. What do you think? Does your work look like mine? Great job! Show me, send me your picture. Bye!